Combine duplicate rows and sum values in Excel. Do you have duplicate rows in Excel that need to be combined into one summary row? For example, the same product, customer, or item may appear several times in your data. Instead of keeping those duplicate rows, you may want to combine them and sum the related values. In this video, I will show you 2 practical ways to do it. Method 1. Use a pivot table. First, select the data range that contains the duplicate rows. Go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. In the dialog box, choose where you want to place the pivot table report. Here, I choose Existing Worksheet and place the pivot table in cell E3. Then click OK to create the pivot table. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, drag the column with duplicate items to the rows area. Then drag the value columns that you want to add up to the values area. Excel now shows each duplicate item once and sums the related values. This method is useful when you only need a summary report. But a pivot table does not directly merge the original rows into a normal data table. Also, if the source data changes, you need to refresh the pivot table before the summary updates. If you want a more direct way to combine duplicate rows, you can use Kutools for Excel. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel to combine duplicate rows directly. After downloading and installing Kutools for Excel, open your worksheet. Because Kutools works directly on the selected data, I copied the data here first for a clearer demonstration. Now, select the data range. Go to the Kutools tab, click Merge and Split, and choose Advanced Combine Rows. In the dialog box, select the column that contains the duplicate values. Then set this column as the primary key. Next, select the value column that you want to calculate. Choose Sum from the operation list to sum the values. Repeat the same setting for any other value columns that need to be summed. Finally, click OK to combine the duplicate rows and sum the selected values. Now, the duplicate rows are merged, and the totals are shown directly in the table. Compared with a pivot table, Kutools works directly with the selected table structure. The result stays as a normal worksheet table, ready to edit, copy, or share. So if you only need a quick summary, a pivot table works well. But if you want to combine duplicate rows into a clean table and sum values more directly, Kutools for Excel is the better choice.